Looking for the best personal blender? You're in the right place. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or quick meals, picking the right blender can make a huge difference. With so many options out there, it's tough to know where to start, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top personal blenders, covering performance, design, and value. Whether you need something compact or a more powerful option, we'll help you find the perfect fit. Let's dive in. Number 5. La Reveuse Smoothies Blender Personal Size. The Reveuse Smoothie Blender is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, efficient, and affordable personal blender. With its powerful 300-watt motor, it blends smoothly through fruits, vegetables, and ice, making it ideal for smoothies and shakes. One of its standout features is the included two 20-ounce portable bottles, which are perfect for on-the-go use, allowing you to blend directly into the bottle and then take it with you. The blender's sleek design and user-friendly controls make it easy to use, and its compact size ensures it doesn't take up too much space on your countertop or in storage. In terms of performance, the Reveuse blender does a solid job with most ingredients, though it may struggle with tougher, fibrous foods like kale or frozen chunks of fruit. That said, it's still a reliable choice for everyday use. Its ease of cleaning is another plus, with both bottles and blades being dishwasher safe. Overall, this blender offers excellent value for money, providing decent power, convenience, and portability for a very reasonable price, making it a great option for anyone looking for a personal blender without breaking the bank. Number 4. GE 5-Speed Blender. The GE Personal Blender is a sleek, high-performance option that combines power and convenience in a compact design. With a 300-watt motor, it handles fruits, vegetables, and ice with ease, making it perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, or even homemade baby food. One of the standout features of this blender is its stainless steel blades, which provide efficient blending and durability, ensuring smooth results every time. The blender also includes a portable 20-ounce cup with a secure lid, making it easy to blend directly into the cup and take your drink on the go. This blender is an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience without sacrificing performance. While it may not be the best fit for heavy-duty tasks like crushing large amounts of ice or blending hard nuts, it excels at everyday blending. Its simple, one-touch operation makes it easy to use, and cleanup is a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe cups and blade assembly. For those looking for a budget-friendly, reliable personal blender, the GE Personal Blender offers great value and solid performance, making it a solid pick for quick, everyday blending needs. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. The Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is a fantastic budget-friendly option for those who want a simple, reliable blender for everyday use. With a 175-watt motor, it's perfect for blending smoothies, shakes, and even small batches of soups or sauces. Its compact design makes it ideal for small kitchens or for anyone who needs a blender that doesn't take up much space. The blender also comes with a 14-ounce blending jar that doubles as a travel cup, so you can blend and go without the hassle of extra containers or cleanup. While the Hamilton Beach Blender is best suited for lighter tasks, it does a great job blending fruits, vegetables, and ice for quick smoothies. It's easy to use with a one-touch blending system, and cleanup is a breeze since both the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. While it may not have the power of higher-end blenders, it offers excellent value for its price, making it a great choice for anyone on a budget or those who need a reliable, no-fuss blender for daily use. Number 2. Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is a classic choice for anyone looking for a quick, convenience blending solution. With its compact design and 250-watt motor, this personal blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, and even chopping small ingredients. The standout feature is its versatility. You can use the included cups to blend directly into and take them on the go, which is perfect for busy mornings. Its simple, one-touch operation makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. And the blender's small size ensures it won't take up much counter space. While the Magic Bullet isn't the most powerful blender out there, it's more than capable of handling soft fruits, vegetables, and ice, making it ideal for basic blending needs. It's also super easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe cups and blades. If you're looking for an affordable, no-fuss blender that delivers reliable results for everyday use, the Magic Bullet is a great choice. It's a solid option for those on a budget or anyone who needs a compact, convenient blender for quick tasks. Number 1. Ninja Nutri Pro Personal Blender. The Ninja BN401 Personal Blender stands out as one of the most powerful and versatile options for personal blenders. With an impressive 1100 peak watts of power, it can crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and even handle tougher ingredients like nuts and seeds with ease. One of its standout features is the Auto IQ technology, which offers preset programs that take the guesswork out of blending, providing consistent results every time. The 24-ounce cups are perfect for making large servings or prepping in advance, and the included to-go lids make it easy to grab your smoothie or shake and head out the door. This blender is a powerhouse in a compact form, and its performance is backed by high-quality design. Whether you're looking to make a creamy smoothie, a protein shake, or a frozen treat, the Ninja BN401 delivers excellent results with minimal effort. It's also very easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe components. While it's on the higher end of the price spectrum for personal blenders, the Ninja BN401 offers exceptional power and versatility, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a more robust blender that can handle a variety of tasks beyond just smoothies. And that wraps up our roundup of the best personal blenders. Whether you're looking for something compact and convenient or a powerhouse that can handle tough ingredients, there's definitely a blender out there that fits your needs. From budget-friendly options like the Hamilton Beach and Magic Bullet to the high-powered Ninja BN401, we hope you found the perfect match for your blending lifestyle. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations on the latest gadgets. Have any personal blender favorites of your own or questions about the ones we reviewed? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy blending!